こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 45 of JLPT N4. This video is useful as a review for JLPT N5, but also you can learn something new for the persons of JLPT N4. I beg your pardon for the construction noises in my neighborhood. Today we're gonna learn some question words beginning with do. This word do. At first, very easy one. Dore and dono. But still some people get confused. At first, the easiest ones. Dore and dono. And both means which. And when we use dore, usually comes the verb. Dore desu ka? Which is it? And dono is always this. After dono, it comes nouns, always nouns. After this word, no, always nouns. After dore, we can also use particle. For example, which do you like? どれが好き？どれが好きですか？ Which do you choose? どれにしますか？どれにしますか？どれにする？ If you want to practice more about this grammar pattern, something にします, then you can watch my grammar video number 97 of JLPT N4. Which and which? どれとどれですか？どれとどれですか？どれとどれ？ Which book? In this case, we use book. This is the noun. So we must use どの. We cannot use どれ. どの本? Which book do you like? どの本が好きですか？どの本が好きですか？どの本が好き？ Which movie or which film do you wanna watch? どの映画が見たいですか？どの映画が見たいですか？どの映画が見たい？ In this case, you can also use the particle を。So, を and が both okay. It means どの映画を見たいですか？どの映画見たい？ This question word どれ we use with これ this それ that あれ that and this question word どの with noun we can also use with この it means this and we must use also after this no noun この本 this book その本 that book あの本 that book over there about how long, about how many, about how much どれくらい or どれぐらいどのくらいどのぐらい we can say four of any of these four ways. If you want to practice more about this, then you can watch my grammar video number 53 of JLPT N5. Now you know どれ this is which. And now we're gonna study どっち and どちら。どっち is also in どっち which どちら which. The difference どっち this is very casual way. Very casual, informal. And どちら this is really formal and more respectful way. どちら Which do you prefer in three ways? At first, very casual one. And the second one, polite form. And the third one, with lots of respect. どっちがいい？どれがいいですか？どちらがいいですか？どちらがよろしいですか？ Which is which in three ways. Casual way, polite way, and respectful way. どっちがどっち？どれがどれ？どちらがどちら？ Either is fine with me. Anything will be fine. どっちでもいい。どっちでもいいよ。どれでもいいです。どちらでもいいです。These two words, どっち and どちら can mean also どこ where, not only どれ which. This one どこ where. In this case, どっち is also very casual way. どこ this is formal and polite. どちら this is really formal and with respect. Where is the bathroom? Or where is the restroom? お手洗いはどちらですか？お手洗いはどこですか？ Where is your house? お家はどこですか？お家はどちらですか？どちら can mean どれ and also this green. どちら can mean どこ and always with どちら this is very respectful way. And どちらの this is the same as どの it means after どの noun and どちらの also the noun the same. And here this one どちら様 this means 誰 who どちら様ですか who is it? When we say which どれ when we use this word どれ then maybe there are more than 3 options, maybe there are 5 things, and which do you prefer? どれ but どっち and どちら usually there are only 2 options, this and this. Which? Now let's study this question word どこ where many people get confused using these particles どこで or どこに. Of course, if you want to make the sentence very, very, very politely and with lots of respect, then you can use instead of どこ どちら どちらで どちらに. But we don't use どっち because どっち has a strong feeling of two, the 2 options. So, but here どちら it means where, どこ where. So we don't use どっち but we can use どこ or どちら. We use the particle で with どこで or some place で. In this case, in which place or in this place, the last verb must be the action verbs. Where are you working? The verb 働きます to work. This is one of the action verbs. どこで働いていますか？どこで働いていますか？ When we use the particle に、どこに、there are only 3 cases. First case, the last verb must be います or あります. It means to be or there is or that exist. Second case, the last verb must be the verbs to go toward somewhere. It means, for example, 行きます、来ます、帰ります. Like these kind of words, we can also use instead of どこに, also どこへ. へ is はひふへ. The third case, in this case, you must learn verb by verb. For example, the verb 住みます to live. I live in Spain. 私はスペインに住んでいます。So the verb 住みます。Or to write down on a notebook. ノートに書きます。So you must learn this verb 書きます。The place に or the place に住みます or place に座ります to sit down. Where are you now? 今どこにいますか？今どこにいますか？今どこにいるの？ Oh, where are you going? どこに行くんですか？どこに行くんですか？どこに行くの？ Now let's see the difference between ど and どんな. In the case of ど always with a verb. For example, どうですか? What do you think? How is it? We can use this expression something はどうですか? or something はいかがですか? This is the expression to offer someone something. For example, how about some coffee? コーヒーはどうですか? or コーヒーはい いかがですかいかがですか is the very, very polite form, and this is with respect. You can watch my expression video number 8, and then you can practice はどうですかはいかがですか What are you going to do? or What would you do? どうしますかどうする What do you think? どう思いますかどう思う What's gonna happen? どうなりますかどうなるどうなるの What happened? What's the matter? What's going on? どうしたんですかどうしたの What should I do? どうしたらいいですかどうしたらいいですかどうしたらいい Why? How come? We have three ways to say it. どうしてなぜなんで You can watch my grammar video number 5 of JLPT and 4, and there I explain about the difference. Why? Why is it so? どうしてですか What kind of? どんな and after this, you must use always, always nouns. What kind of movies do you like? どんな映画が好きですか The synonym of どんなどういう or どのような and always you must use here noun. The difference is we can use どんなどういう in daily life, but どのような also you can use it, but どのような sounds more formal. So if you are speaking about some important theme or important topics, then you can use どのような What kind of book? どんな本どういう本どのような本 What kind of problems are there? どんなをどういうをどのような問題がありますかどんな問題がありますかどういう問題がありますかどのような問題がありますか With this どのような what kind of, what type of we can say like このような this kind of, for example このような問題 this kind of problem そのような問題that kind of problem あのような問題that kind of problems After どのような what kind of we always use noun どのような something but now I'm gonna change to like other verb どのように instead of なにどのようにどのように and also ど means in what way how but the difference between ど and どのように is どのように sounds more formal and polite and always you must use with a verb. Now I add other synonym. どうやって in what way how so the same meaning all of these three but the difference only どのように this sounds very polite but the same meaning always with the verb. In what way can I speak? Or how should I speak? どうやってをどうをどのように話したらいいですかどうやって話したらいいですかどう話したらいいですかどのように話したらいいですか If you want to practice more about this form たらいいですか Then you can watch my grammar video number 4 of JLPT N4. In what way or how can I write kanjis? どうやってどのように漢字を書きます。漢字を書いたらいいですかどのように漢字を書いたらいいですかどうやって漢字を書いたらいいですかどう漢字を書いたらいいですか Now the last word どなた、どなた This means who. So it's the synonym of 誰。Do you remember before I told you どなた様 This means 誰 who. And here we can also say どなた or even どなた様 It means who. And this is very polite form, very polite, formal, and respectful way. Whose is this? I'm gonna say it in the casual way and the polite form and with lots of respect. これ誰の？これは誰のですか？こちらはどなたのですか？お、こちらはどなた様のでしょうか？Very important thing that you must use this particle no because without no this is completely different. これは誰ですか？ Who is this? So whose is this? Whose? Then you must use no. Now a quiz time with 7 translations into Japanese using this question word beginning with do. And if it's possible, I want you to make more than just one sentence in each question. It means if you can 2 or 3. For example, casual way, polite way, and respectful way. Okay? 1番目 What do you want to buy? Or what would you like to buy? 2番目 Where do you want to go? Or where would you like to go? 3番目What kind of dishes do you like? 4番目 Why didn't you go to the park? 5番目 Which umbrella? 6番目 How is the new teacher? 7番目最後です。How should I explain? Or in what way should I explain? Today we learned lots of question words beginning with ど。どれ？どの？どっち？どこ？どちら？どう？どうして？どんな？どういう？どのような？どうやって？どのように？どなた？ I think this video was useful for even for the persons who are studying JLPT N5 and also for N4 because there are lots of words and that was more advanced one. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. If you could help me sharing my videos with your friends, that will be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日はたくさんの疑問詞を勉強しましたよね。特に今日の疑問詞は全部このどという字から始まる疑問詞でした。まとめて見てみましょう。どれ？どの？どっち？どこ？どちら？どう？どうして？どんな？どういう？どのような？どうやって？どのように？どなた？本当にたくさん見てきましたよね。いい復習になると思いますよ。今日のビデオは4級の方だけではなくて5級の方にもとてもいい勉強になると思います。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオを友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語を少しずつレベルアップしながら詳しく教えています。ですから順を追って私のビデオを全部見ていけば絶対に日本語がとっても上手になると思いますよ。これからも頑張ってどんどんビデオを出していきますからぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てね。じゃあね。バイバイ。